everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you if you're watching a reel on your Instagram and you forget to like this reel or you forget to save the reel but you want to see again. So today I'm going to show you how to see the your watch history on your Instagram account. So for this, just tap on your profile photo and then on the right top corner click on these three lines. Then choose the third option from how you use Instagram, which is your activity. Click on your activity, scroll down a little bit until you find again how to use Instagram. Under that, the second option is watch history. If you tap on watch history, you will see the all your reels which you have watched recently. So you can rewatch or you can like or you can also download or save the reels. So on the top left side, you will see the filter sort by new to old or old to new. And the second option is all dates. You can select past week, past month, date range, manually start and end date. Third option is all authors, which includes all Instagram accounts which you watch the reels. That's it for today's short tutorial. See you in the next one.